Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, inspect the lock and confirm it's a deadbolt or latch. This changes technique. Once identified, insert the key and feel for resistance. Do not force. If the key won't turn, spray a small amount of graphite or lubricant into the keyway and wiggle the key gently to seat tumblers. If the cylinder is loose, tighten the faceplate screws first. That often restores alignment. Make sure to keep the door closed or braced so you don't misalign the bolt while working. Once the faceplate is off and the cylinder accessible, you carefully remove the retaining screw and pull the cylinder out slightly to expose the plug. Use a tension wrench and a 1/83/16 pick to set pins one by one, feeling for clicks. Turn the plug slowly as pins set. If a key fragment remains, use a key extractor or needle nose pliers while applying light tension. Tapping the plug gently can loosen fragments. Make sure to keep parts organized so reassembly is straightforward. You finish by reinstalling the cylinder and tightening the retaining screw, then turn the key several times to confirm smooth action. If the lock still sticks, remove and inspect the strike plate and bolt alignment. Shims or a deeper mortise often fix binding caused by humidity or settling. If pins are damaged or the mechanism feels gritty after cleaning, replace the cylinder or consult a locksmith. It's faster and avoids damaging the door. One tip: if nothing works, try a new.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.